Achieve. Achieve. She worked hard to achieve her goal. She worked hard to achieve her goal. Benefit. Benefit. Regular exercise has many benefits. Regular exercise has many benefits. Challenge. Challenge. Learning English is a big challenge. Learning English is a big challenge. Consider. Consider. You should consider all options carefully. You should consider all options carefully. Efficient. Efficient. He is an efficient worker in the company. He is an efficient worker in the company. Establish. Establish. They plan to establish a new school. They plan to establish a new school. Frequently. Frequently. She frequently visits the library. She frequently visits the library. Impact. Impact. Social media has a strong impact on students. Social media has a strong impact on students. Increase. Increase. Prices may increase next month. Prices may increase next month. Maintain. Maintain. It is important to maintain a healthy lifestyle. It is important to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Opportunity. Opportunity. This job is a great opportunity for you. This job is a great opportunity for you. Potential. Potential. She has the potential to become a great doctor. She has the potential to become a great doctor. Recent. Recent. Recent studies show positive results. Recent studies show positive results. Require. Require. This job requires strong communication skills. This job requires strong communication skills. Significant. Significant. There was a significant improvement in his grades. There was a significant improvement in his grades. Strategy. Strategy. We need a clear strategy to succeed. We need a clear strategy to succeed. We need a clear strategy to succeed.